Affirmatif.
Aww.
Or just non-intellect. What's up, non-intellect?
Oh shit, sniper.
Group 4,
What?
we're under attack.
Why'd you pin me, sir?
Group 4, engaging enemy.
He literally solo ulted me. What is this kid's hours?
Group 4, returning.
Teleport away!
Yeah, I'm gonna change hero because Junkrat, I'm not feeling it right now.
Group 4,
They couldn't
taking
kill me
fire.
for how long? I just using Zach's teleport to teleport
Returning
away.
to ship.
Pandas, pandas, pandas.
Ninja vanish.
Be gone, thought. Holy moly. Where are them nibbas at?
Don't worry, Zach. I'll destroy a shield for you. Wait, can your bullets go through their shields now or no?
No.
Group 2, ready.
Non-intellect.
Oh, this is a bunch of
Teleport up there,
non-intellects.
teleport up there.
Oh no, I fell.
Oh my god, this Tracer literally wants nudes. She's just following me, that's bullshit.
Oh my god. Doofus knew. He literally could've. Okay, you're so good, man. Literally, Doofus kills me. He thinks he's a god or something. He gets one kill in his life. Just, oh my god. I have 7,000 hero damage. Bastion's so retarded.
You're right.
Instead of getting rid of
Torpedoes to
his
start.
hook, or his fucking hook, why not get rid of Bastion's fucking machine gun him?
Group 4, approaching
You are
target.
so stupid, Doomfist.
Torpedoes astern. 4, returning to ship. Airborne.
There's a
Taking
tracer in
fire.
our backlines, and I do not appreciate that.
I have 28 health. I bet the Tracer's gonna pick me off. Yep, I see the retard.
Non-intellect. Oh my god.
Oh, that Doofus is almost nutted. Oh.
Enemy destroyer sunk. Affirmative.
Zach, you're the last one left.